There we go. I got all prettied up. I just took a swim. Lovely, lovely. Actually swam. Wind's blowing, but beautiful clear water. Just what a perfect way to end the time here. So this is the final. I'm done. I'm packed up. I'm getting out of here. So I'll show you. This is the last view you'll get. So I'm gonna leave the mess, all the decay, all the decay. Isn't that nice? Yeah, all the debris. I ain't picking it up. It's too much. I'm tired. I want to quit. So it's Friday afternoon. And there it is. Pretty happy. I had a couple really good fits, and well, a couple that are so-so. But not easy to do with big fat pieces of wood. I put the backer rod back in. That was amazing. This corner piece, I had to get rid of the little sill seal, that tiny little film, that little thin, you know, it's a little foam. Oh my gosh, it's not even 1/8 of an inch. And so, you know, you got to set it on the ledge because it's got to be tucked in order to bring it in. But literally, it's like it was a press fit. It was just unbelievable. So that became a big gap. I don't know what's going on there, because this whole corner shows it being low as far as level. You know, all these runs out here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dovetails and about 50 feet of timber. Yep, that was the last one this morning to put in. So there it is. I'm done. I'm walking away. That's it. Careful where you step. Right this way. Not much further. Okay, so I'm done. See you on to the next project, back on chairs. And I did finish. I was expecting this to go to the end of the month, so I got an extra day. I mean, extra week. But chairs are still waiting, so okay. Bye from Blue Lake. Bye.